in our first cohort, by the time those students graduated in 2021, over 3/4 of them were on grade level in math and also in ELA. And we are so proud of their performance. And we know that that is setting them up for a completely different high school experience, which would then lead them to different outcomes for college and the careers of their choice. We see that arc shift from 5th grade to 8th grade really dramatically, and it's one of the greatest successes of our program to know that in those short years, we're able to completely shift the trajectories of what's possible for students when they get to high school. Now that we have our own high school, this is a really amazing opportunity for us to continue to build on that momentum, that positive culture that we've built, and continuing to add on to the academic success so that students can graduate their high school with college credits, can gain access to internships and apprenticeships to industries and careers that they're interested in, and ultimately become the best versions of themselves so that they can continue on that exponential growth and that positive trajectory that we are setting them on at Forte.